So we've been trying to get finished with this garden and we're pretty much there. Just a little bit of testing left to do, and then that little bit of salad, a little bit of champagne is coming right up. But yeah, we worked on the cameras and the lighting. You can see we have our cameras up there. There's one up in that corner there. And if you look just above the door, there's another one. There's a total of 5 cameras in here. And on all 4 corners, and then a big one here. This one has two-way talking. And of course, they're all motion sensing, all of that stuff. They can detect faces, they can detect animals and all that. So that's done. It's on an app. We can check the garden from anywhere in the world. I can zoom in on a tomato if I want to. These are very powerful cameras. We'll do a review on those when we can. But the cameras are done. And then we also finished the lighting, the second round of lighting, right? The little baby lights. And these look beautiful at night. They ambiance, you know. And if you look down this all the way, every one of them has one of them. And they look really nice. And, you know, on the sides, we also have them here. See? And so at night, you get this nice glow of light. Which kind of matches the rest of the property. And of course, when we need to, we can crank up the big heavy lights on top. We're finishing up on the garden. You see the few lights here. Those are our security cameras that we installed earlier. They saw me move, so they're like, oh, there's somebody in the garden. In a little while, I'll get an alarm on my phone. And we had done the big lighting before, but now we finished the little lighting. Let me show you, if I can, what that looks like. My phone's acting up a little bit, but we'll give it a try. There. Isn't that beautiful? Now, it's not completely dark out here yet, because if it was, you wouldn't be able to see me. But what a beautiful glow. And they're everywhere. Every row is beautifully lit. So you get this nice ambiance, you know. And even on the outside, as you walk past the garden, they're beautifully lit. And even in between, if you get in between the planters, you'll see that there's lighting in between them, which is quite nice. Yeah. So, yeah, we've been trying, and I think we've achieved the goal. Now, like I said, it's quite dark out here, but, you know, not completely dark. But if it were darker and we needed more light, let me see if I can, my phone will let me. There we go. Now that is when you want all the lights. So now we have them all going, and it's beautiful. So I think we've achieved the goal. Remember, we said a beautiful garden, a vegetable garden, fully enclosed, fully protected, fully automated, but a garden first. I think it's a garden. I really do. So I think we've achieved something wonderful. Now, we're not done, right? I mean, the construction's done, other than that last little bit that we have to do about our beautiful meal with the champagne. We'll do that next. But the building is done, right? But the adventure isn't over, because now comes the picking and the eating and the recipes and all of the other things. You know, we're going to have a beautiful garden plan for next year. So the lighting's done, the cameras are done, the planters are in, the irrigation system, the tomatoes are tomatoing all over the place. Everything's beautiful. So we are essentially done with fine-tuning the watering system. The only thing that's left that has anything to do with the garden is the automated fertilizing system that's going to be done with the rainwater, but that can't be done until we are working on the garage. So the garage is now becoming the main project, but we still have to have that salad, right? I'll give you an example. We're waiting for these guys. Look how beautiful they are, but they're still green. So, you know, we'll soon have that salad. But anyway, that's it for now. We are just about finished. Now finished with the construction, right? Finished with the development, not finished with the adventure. But we're getting there. And I want to thank you very much for sharing this time with all of us. And keep coming back and see what we do next. Cheers.